Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. My name is Bukomi, and in this video I want to walk you through 3 simple and easy way that I think you can start a business in 2023 going forward. I'm actually recording this video on the 31st of December 2022, so I'm excited and pumped going forward into the new year, and I just wanted to share with you 3 business ideas that I think you can get started with in 2023 if that's what you're looking for, of course. So the first business idea I want to share with you is dropshipping. I know a lot of you have heard a lot about dropshipping, but I know there are different ways you can do dropshipping that can be easy and that can be complicated. But I just want to show you a simple way that I found dropshipping to be easy and that you can do the same thing. So I'm going to be sharing this platform with you. It's called CJ Dropshipping. For those of you who don't know what dropshipping is about, I have videos on this channel talking about dropshipping and all of that. Dropshipping basically is when you have a store and your customer buys stuff from you in that store and pays you, then you go to your supplier to buy the item and you have the supplier ship it directly to the customer. So the product doesn't come to you at all, it just goes from your supplier to the consumer, that's to the customer, and customer pays you, you pay the supplier, and you deliver. You have the supplier deliver to the customer. So basically that's how dropshipping works. This helps you to not have inventory. You don't need to have upfront funds or money to invest in buying inventory. It helps you save on that, and you're able to just buy when the customer buy from you. So one easy and fast dropshipping partner that I found, different from AliExpress. If you check on YouTube, you see different videos talking about AliExpress. An alternative that I feel is good and better compared to AliExpress is CJ Dropshipping. CJ Dropshipping fulfillment time is actually way better. You can have up to 30 days, 60 days, 45 days shipping time on AliExpress, and customers do not like to wait that long. So CJ Dropshipping is actually an alternative for you. So what you need to do basically is create an account with CJ Dropshipping, then you create a Shopify store. This is a demo store, something I was working on recently, and these are the products that I have imported into this store from CJ Dropshipping. So all you need to do is create this account here, then go to shopify.com, and you create you can start a free trial for 14 days. And I think there's a promotion going on where you're able to get the store for, I think, $1 or £1 for 3 months or so. I'll leave the link to all the websites in my description. But yeah, essentially that's what you need to do. And then when you create your CJ Dropshipping store, you need to come up here to authorization, then click on Shopify. Then you're able to connect your Shopify store with your CJ Dropshipping store. So I have a store connected here. So basically that's how that works. And so once you connect your store, then you're able to come to whatever product it is that you want to import into your Shopify store, and in one click you're able to do that. So these are trending products. So these are products that are trending right now. You may want to look at them and see which of them you would want to import into your store, and just import it on one click. So for example, if I wanted to sell for example, let me find something here. If I wanted to sell this snow scraper, I just need to click on the snow scraper, and since I already have my store connected, all I'll do is just click on list. I'll list it from here and have that imported to my Shopify store. So that's how you build your product in your Shopify store without any hassle, and you're able to have your shop go live. And when customers buy from your store, you're able to come into CJ Dropshipping to add this item to cart, or whatever item it is. You add this to cart and put in the change the shipping where the order is shipping to, that's the country it's going. Just change it here and see how much that will cost you and how long that will take. Make the payment, and voila, that's it. You can also have this sync automatically where your orders are fulfilled automatically, but that's another video for another day. But basically that's how you do drop shipping, and I'm recommending CJ drop shipping because from experience and from what I've heard from other people, it's actually faster. You have short time delivery time, and the products are generally good compared to AliExpress. So that's one business model. The next business idea I want to share with you guys is print on demand. I have another video, I have videos on this channel talking about print on demand. It's actually one easy way that you can actually make money online, starting a business in 2023 without having inventory or keeping stock. So this is print on demand, and this is a print on demand supplier, a print on demand partner. So print on demand is also something like drop shipping, because all you need to do is just come to this supplier, either Printify or Printful, Gelato, the different suppliers out there. Just come here, and if you want to create a shirt, come to the catalog. This is Printify. Just come to the catalog and just see the kind of products they have that you can actually create your design on and sell. So you have socks, you have wall hats, you have t-shirts, you have accessories, different categories, guys. So whatever catches your fancy, you have mugs, phone cases, and all of that. So whatever catches your fancy, just come in here and create your design. So you need to go into Canva. For those of you who don't know how to create a design, I have videos on this channel showing you how to create designs in Canva that you can bring on here to put on your merch, your shirts or your mugs or whatever it is. So you just need to upload the item here, then you create a store, either a Shopify store or whatever store you like, and connect it to your supplier store, that's either Printify or Printful. And whenever you make a sale, the supplier fulfills the order for you and sends it directly to your customer. No labeling, no Printify label, no Printful label, nothing. It's all your business and all your branding and all of that. So that's another business idea that you may want to look into going forward in 2023. Like I said, I have other videos on this channel showing you how to start a print on demand business, so you want to check that out for detailed explanation and to see how exactly this business model works. Another print on demand product you can sell is print on demand jewelry, where you're able to, create amazing pieces for people who are celebrating their anniversary, wedding anniversary, birthday celebrations, Valentine, Easter celebration, Christmas celebration, what have you. So these are jewelry pieces that are already created, but all you have to do is just create the message cards, the message that goes on the jewelry, and you are able to partner with Shine On, which is one of the print on demand jewelry supplier. You're able to partner with them by creating an account, obviously, and coming in here and creating your message card. Create your message card and just have it uploaded here. So you have the jewelry already, the supplier provides the jewelry. Just create your own message card in Canva. You can use Canva to create your message card, upload it here, then it appears behind this jewelry instead of this to my wife. So it appears behind the jewelry, and the supplier would print that for you and send it to the customer. So that's another amazing print on demand business model that you can actually do going forward in 2023. Like I said, I have videos, and I'm going to link them in the card. I'm going to link them in the description below. That will help you get started with print on demand jewelry. The last business idea I want to talk to you about, guys, is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing, in my opinion, is easy as much as drop shipping and print on demand, because you don't need to have your product, whether physical or digital. All you need to do is take a link, promote someone else's product, and when you make a sale, you earn a commission. So basically that is affiliate marketing. And one company that I want to show you that I just found and I just joined is this company here called LiveGood. So LiveGood is in the health and wellness niche. So for those of you who are health conscious, who likes to talk about healthy stuff or take healthy stuff, then this might really appeal to you. So this is LiveGood, and this is the company, this is the product they sell and all that they're about. I'm going to leave a link in the description, guys. You can go check it out yourself, do your own due diligence and see. I'll just run through quickly the products and show you what exactly the compensation plan is and all of that. So these are their products. These are physical products, guys. So when you refer someone and they buy this product, then you earn a commission. So it's as simple as that. But for this company, they've made it easy for you as an affiliate for the company to earn money, and I'm going to show you the compensation plan in a moment. But these are the products they have. I'll leave a link in the description. Go check this out yourself and see the kind of products that they have. But if you're looking to join this company to make money, not to buy the product, then you would have to join as an affiliate, and then you'll be given a link and you'd share this with friends and family or wherever you have an audience, and you're able to make money when people buy from you. So basically that's how that works. I'm going to insert a video just after this time where the owners of the business would explain to you how this works.
Hi, this is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of LiveGood. Over the past 20 years, we've launched and run some of the most successful products and companies in the entire network marketing industry. We've helped hundreds of thousands of people all over the world generate extra income from home, paid out close to $1 billion in commissions, and have been featured all over the internet and magazines, newspapers, even on TV. People often ask, how have our companies been so successful while thousands of others have failed? The answer is simple: timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in society, trends in the economy. With inflation higher than ever, gas prices up, causing utility bills to rise, mortgage and rent payments going up, travel getting more expensive. People are looking for ways they can save money without compromising quality. Because of that, the network marketing industry is at a major crossroads. Products have become more and more overpriced just so companies can pay out big commissions and compensation plans. But with buying habits trending away from higher priced products in search of better value, that model just doesn't align with where the industry is going. In fact, if you look at some of the biggest companies in the network marketing industry, like Herbalife, USANA, and Nu Skin, their revenues are down as much as 20% from just a year ago, while companies like Walmart and Costco's revenues are up 9% and 12%. In the words of our Director of Network Marketing, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. That's why we created LiveGood. Teaming up with amazing health and wellness experts Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, we've created a line of the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet that people need. And we make them available for as much as 75% less than what other companies are charging for lower quality products. Take our organic Super Reds, for example. Probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant-packed ingredients than even best-selling non-organic Super Beets, and for less than half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 500 milligram CBD oil for as much as $80. Ours is the highest quality CBD available anywhere, and with 750 milligrams of CBD, it's 50% stronger for just $18. Not only that, but every one of our highest quality products comes with a full 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love any of the LiveGood products that you order, simply send back the empty bottle and we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. So what does all this mean for you? On top of having products that virtually sell themselves in a company that is perfectly aligned with shifting buying habits in the marketplace, We give you all the tools, systems, websites, videos, training, and everything you need to help you earn extra income easier and faster than any other company in the industry. In fact, this video that you're watching right now is part of the industry's most powerful Powerline-driven marketing system that allows you to reserve a free temporary position in our company before you have to commit anything to getting started. What that means is when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the Powerline. Now, each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of LiveGood for just $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee, moves to the top of the Powerline above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our fast-filling 2x14 forced matrix before all the people below them in the Powerline. So each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. By being a member of LiveGood, you're going to save up to 75% off the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to keep you and your family healthy. And if you happen to get some people placed under you in the matrix and you make a few extra $100 a month or a few extra $1,000 a month on top of that, even better. And the way our compensation plan works, you have the potential to earn over $2,000 a month in the matrix without ever having to enroll a single person. And if you do choose to share LiveGood products and opportunity with others, you can earn significantly more. In fact, with our matching bonuses, just by enrolling one person, you double your earning potential. With millions of people joining LiveGood in the next 24 months, the only place they can go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in there. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher you'll be placed in the matrix. So fill out the form on the right, and it won't take long for you to see why people are calling LiveGood the most exciting company in the industry. We'll see you at the top.
How the compensation plan works. I particularly like the compensation plan for this company because they have power lines where even if you don't refer people directly, you still get people placed under you. But I want you to understand this very well and see how it works and how you can make money with it. So I'm going to put that video just after this video, and so that you can understand how the compensation plan works and how it can benefit you going forward in 2023. I'm excited about 2023 and I'm pumped, and I hope you are too. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you're subscribed. Click that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification just beside it, because I have many more amazing things coming out and planned for the new year for you guys. Whatever business you're thinking of starting in 2023, please do comment that in the comment section below. I like to know, I love to know. And if you want me to make any video about any business idea you have, please do comment that in the description below. Thank you guys for joining with me in this video. I'll see you in the next one.